How to change profile picture on indeed.com. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your profile picture on your indeed.com. So first thing what you can do is, if you have an Indeed application, just go for it. If you don't have Indeed application, just head over to any other browser and just simply head over to the official indeed.com website by clicking on www.indeed.com website, and then you will be here, you will be in this page, and just make sure you are signed into your account. So once you are signed into your account, you will be seeing this dashboard over here, and as you can see at the top right corner over here, there's a hamburger icon. Simply click on it. So once you click on it, you will be seeing this page. From over here, just click on your profile button over here. As you can see on the middle of the screen, simply click on this profile button, and then you can see your profile picture from over here. And just from over here, what you can do is to change your profile picture name. Actually, you can see it's showing H and N because of my name and surname. So to basically change that, you can click on this build and indeed resume option over here, which is below upload resume option. So by simply click on it, and then it will ask you to rewrite your first name and last name. Just change your first name and last name initial letters. So you will be seeing that save and exit button at the top right corner. Simply click on that button, and once you do that, you will have successfully changed your profile picture name. So that is exactly how you can easily change your profile picture on your indeed.com. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.